Igoo Mmuo 101 class. Respect and appreciation of the spirits around you. I sacrificed a cow to my ancestor. An old woman lives nearby my house, and like next day I go to the market, get a hen, and tell her that she's a deity. She's an old deity who is in the road that I used to use and go outside my house. So she did not see all these things that happened, and we'll just leave her empty handed. Got more, yeah. I didn't have to do that, right? I'm a fan. And that spirit again that is around that place again. Got more, yeah. Your turn. Yeah. And him and half one na azabu half a cheer. So I'm giving this young lady money, and just put it on the ground, and I call her name. Chie Kanya. Jakan na-achu. Maybe say I just want to give person money. She's a spirit. She's a spirit. You understand? She is a chi. So more come on. I respect all more. I don't fear any more.